Hey everybody, today I'm going to use the Ninja Foodi again and use the cookbook that came with it to make TenderCrisp baked macaroni and cheese. Now normally I would just throw macaroni and cheese in there and make it like I did in the past, but I'm going to follow this recipe book and it has a lot of nice ingredients here like minced onion, lemon, juice, panko breadcrumbs, baking soda, garlic powder, ground mustard, and all kind of good stuff. Cheese, butter, heavy cream. Let's get it going. You know I'm hungry. Come on. Let's plug it in so you can see it say hello. Foodi. Tablespoon of baking soda to start with. Spoon don't fit in there, so tablespoon of baking soda. Half a cup of lemon juice. Wow, that's going to be a lot of that lemon juice, huh? Ooh. I'm going to take that lid off. Does it come off? I took that off with the pliers. Look at, where am I? Oops, where's my measuring cup? That easier? That's a lot of lemon juice. Going in. So then you see it bubbling up in there. That's the reaction from the baking soda. Nice base to start with, huh? Let that stop bubbling. Alright, that's pretty well stopped. Now we need 5 cups of water. There's 2. And I'll get 3 more. 4. 5. Now we add 1 pound of elbow macaroni, whatever kind you want to use, but I'm going to use this kind today. Elbows, I like them. Into the white ceramic coated pot. Almost done. Stir that up. We're going to use our pressure lid for the first step. Here, bubbling in there a little bit. All right, let's put our pressure lid on. Make sure we're in sealing mode. Seal. Okay. Come down here to the control panel. We're going to press pressure. High. We want low pressure. And for the time, something I never heard of, but I'm going by the book, it says 0. So press start. 0 minutes on pressure. And you know what that means? You know it takes 5 or 7 minutes to come up to pressure. And when it does come up to pressure, it's already boiled. And they say the macaroni should be done at that point. So we learned something there. And we're going to let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes after that. Wasn't that something? 0 minutes for macaroni. All right, I'll be back in 0 minutes or so. I heard the pressure seal pop in the back, so this is going to be strange seeing 0 minutes. As soon as it does that, I'm going to press the stop button and let it release naturally for 10 minutes. There it is, look at it. Done. See, it went to 0 and it's done. Okay, let's press stop. Oh, there we go. It's counting to keep warm. I might as well let it do that. So I'll know when 10 minutes are up. Then I'll release whatever pressure's left in there. Alright, that's 10 minutes. Let's stop that. See how much pressure is left in there. Okay. Made a lot of pressure on low, didn't it? First time I used low and first time I went to 0. Right back. Alright, let's remove the lid. There was a lot of pressure in there for having it on low. We think maybe it was because of the baking soda I added. Maybe. Oh, what is macaroni? See? Yeah. That's nice. Wow. Okay, now the next step is to add our remaining ingredients. Okay, I need a cup of heavy cream over here. I never made macaroni and cheese like that either. But I'm following this recipe, remember? Heavy. Heavy, boys. Going in. Some salt, as much as you want. Book says 2 teaspoons, but it'll take a while to get teaspoons out of here. I think that's enough salt. A whole package of cheese, which is 1 pound. That's what they say in the book. Pound of cheese, it's all right. I have sharp cheddar here. I guess you could use any kind you like. Right? Pour that in there. Where's my spoon? Use this. I'm gonna use this instead of a spoon right now. I'm gonna use my spoon later. Whoa, that's gonna be cheesy. All right. Now, the remaining ingredients are butter, onion powder, garlic powder, minced onion, or onion powder, yeah, I said that already, and breadcrumbs. All right, a tablespoon of black pepper. How did I forget that with the salt? That takes a while to come out too. So, if you had just a shaker, it would be easier, quicker. Tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder. This is gonna be good. Oh! Tablespoon of minced onion or onion powder, whichever one you have. Oh man. You get the idea. Tablespoon. I like these shakers, but you got some flakes in there. That's good. Minced onions. A teaspoon of ground mustard. Oh boy. Can't wait. Hungry. That's it. I'll stir that around a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 cups of breadcrumbs in a dish behind me here. I'm gonna melt a whole stick of butter and mix it with that, but that's for the finishing touch. 2 cups of breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs. That's gonna be good. Remember, this is baked in a Ninja Foodi. That's 2 cups. Is that 2 cups? Yep. Okay, just to measure, and I'm gonna pour this in this to mix the butter in there. I'm gonna put a stick of butter in here and put it in the microwave while I stir this a little bit. All right, right back. Oh, I'd say this is done now, but we're gonna finish it up with a crispy top, aren't we? Yep. Wow. It's gonna be good. Okay, stick of butter. Spurtle it into the breadcrumbs. This is going to give us our topping. Looks as good as you could. And pour this right on top. This is our topping. Okay? Look at that topping. Get it all out of there. Now you know what we're going to do, don't you? We're going to use our crisper lid on the Ninja Foodi. Woo! Oh, here it is, right on top. Nice. Press air crisp. Set the temperature to 360 for 7 minutes. And if we don't think it's crispy enough, we'll do it again. We'll peek in there, right? This is going to be the best mac and cheese I ever had. Maybe. I hope. All right, be back. 30 seconds remaining. Whoa. 25 seconds remaining. It smells good. It smells cheesy, spicy. Went right by the book, remember. 10. Here we go. I'm ready. Ready? Cool, yeah, cool. Let's look inside. Come on, I know you're cool. Done. Done and doneer. Oh, you like that? I like that. Mm-hmm. I do like that. Mm-hmm. Let me get that out into a bowl so I can taste it if it's not too hot. Okay. Can you hear it? Oh, it's deep too. Oh yeah. Well, there's a pound in there. A pound of macaroni and a pound of cheese. Not to mention all the other good stuff. Look. Had enough for my lunch. There's a lot in there. I'm gonna taste it. It's probably hot. Oh. It's like cornflakes. How hot can it be? It's crispy baked. Crispy baked. What do they call that? TenderCrisp baked mac and cheese for the Ninja Foodi. It didn't take long. Remember, it took 0 minutes of pressure cooking time, 7 minutes of the crispy time. Oh, it's real good. Remember I said I never added all those ingredients? Well, maybe should, huh? All right, I love that. Thank you. Thank you, Ninja Foodies. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. I'll eat this, and we're gonna have some more for supper. This is just my lunch. Leftovers tomorrow, probably. That's okay. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Have a nice night. See you. Mm-hmm.